Adding a y-axis label to secondary y-axis in matplotlib. I can add a y label to the left y-axis using plt.ulabel, but how can I add it to the secondary y-axis?
The best way is to interact with the axis object directly.
There is a straightforward solution without messing with matplotlib, just pandas. Tweaking the original example. Basically, when the secondary _y equals true option is given, even though x equals x is passed to, pandas.plot returns a different axes which we use to set the labels. I know this was answered long ago, but I think this approach worth it.
For everyone stumbling upon this post because pandas gets mentioned, you now have the very elegant and straightforward option of directly accessing the secondary _y-axis in pandas with x.right_x. So paraphrasing the example initially posted, you would write: this is already mentioned in these posts as well, 1, 2.
I don't have access to Python right now, but off the top of my head.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.